Cheers. Hey, it's Lindsay Ray. Welcome to the channel. Today we are here at McDonald's to do a first-time taste test. I'm going to be trying the quarter pounder with cheese. They had a deal going on where if you bought a Big Mac, you could also get a free 10-piece McNugget, another Big Mac, or the quarter pounder with cheese. So I thought I would do another video and try this since I've never had a quarter pounder with cheese before. I didn't really eat burgers that much or beef as a kid. I was more into chicken, so if I went to McDonald's I got chicken nuggets. So this is a first for me, and I did just try a Big Mac, so my expectations are pretty low. No hate to the Big Mac. If you want to see my thoughts on that, I'll link that video below as well. But let's do this. All right, here is the big reveal. Ooh, this one has the name on the box too. How cute is this? Has McDonald's always done that? That's such a fun vibe. I'm really anxious to try a bite of this. I don't even know what it looks like. I'm really excited, so let's just do the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, why do I feel like it's already bigger than the Big Mac? I don't know if it's just the bun. Obviously the patties are bigger, but wow, look at that. All right, let's take her out. She's simple. I'm pretty sure the quarter pounder is literally just beef, pickles, cheese. We have some mustard, mayo, pickles, and white onions. Let's see if we can crack her open. Ooh, she's a little stuck because, you know, cheese is doing its job. It's melty. Oh my God, melted cheese on the box. Onion, yum. Before we take our bite, this is what this one is pictured as, which I'd say, like, obviously you don't see the pickles really oozing out too much or the ketchup, but pretty true to the photo, to the advertisement, if you will, unlike the Big Mac. So the quarter pounder with cheese is $5.19, 520 calories at my McDonald's. All right, without further ado, you guys, let us get a bite of her. Ooh, she's just so pretty. Let's do it. Cheers. Mm. It's good. It just tastes like a hamburger. I do like the crust on this patty. It's definitely a nice size patty. Okay, it's a good burger. And I do love the works on a burger. Mustard, ketchup. But for some reason, I kind of wish I didn't have mustard on it. Like, I kind of wish I just did cheese, patty, pickles, onions, and ketchup. I feel like the mustard's fighting the cheese. I might be crazy, but it's good. Yeah, this patty's cooked really nice, and it has a nice crunch and a crisp on the edge of it. All right, I'm going to save my thoughts. I think I'm going to film one more video doing a side-by-side comparison and take bites and just, like, see which is better. So I'm going to wrap this video up. If I do end up making that video, I will link it below, as well as the Big Mac video, and let me know in the comments below what else I should try. But that's it for now, guys, so I will see you in the next one. Bye!